Hi, hello guys. Look at here. I find animal color toys. Wow, very beautiful. Let me check and we wash. Okay, wash here. Wow. What's that? Wow. No, rhinoceros. Yes, it's very good. What that? Wow. Goose. Goose. Yes. What the heck? Yeah, take it. What's that? Wow. Buffalo. Yeah, buffalo. Yeah. Come on. Wow. Dinosaurus. Yes, very good. Wow, take one more. Wow, what? Camel. Camel. Yeah, take. There. Yeah. What's that? Wow. Lead it. Lead it. Lead it. Lead it. Yeah, lead it. Hurry up. Wow, dinosaurs. Okay. What next? Wash more. Okay. Okay. Wow, lion. It's very good. Take one more. Mm. Come on. Wow, moose. Moose. Yeah, put here. Moose. Wow. Take again. Wash. Yeah. Wow, little dinosaurus. Okay, one more. Whoa! What? We get two. Yeah. What is? Wow, giraffe. Yeah, giraffe. And get butterfly. Okay. What's? Oh, we get crocodile and lizard. Okay. Okay. Lizard. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye.